Nice winner beater right here, baby.
The whole point is to get mans not to come in for the next week.
Yo, that's it. I slapped you. Bro, you didn't, you ran with it like a Stop it. Day of flat repairs today, unfortunately. I think some guy purposely put nails in her tires and keyed her whole door.
I think he was trying to spell or fix.
So basically, the car is parked in underground. He cut pieces of cardboard like one by one, and he put the nail in the thing so it stands up the nail. So when she drives, it'll go over. So two of them didn't go through, two of them did. And I think they like broke the mirrors and stuff like that too.
What are the odds? Look at that. Look. What are the odds?
When your Raptors season ticket holder. Celebrate 30 years of Raptor history with the members only bag. Members only, baby. Not bad.
Beater right here, baby. 4 winter tires on this big boy.
What's tonight? Chakah's birthday. Oh, this guy wants to go paintball. You know how much money we're paying? We're paying like $40 to go shoot some little paintball pellets. The whole point is to get mans not to come in for the next week.
Sets of wheels just came in from Cali. We got a set of Method wheels, also a set of Avant-Garde wheels. If you guys have a shop and you guys are not set up with us yet, give us a call and we'll get you guys onto our program. Shout out the guys over at Marionetti. Got a 2023 Bentley in. Beautiful spec, white exterior, black and white interior. We're just gonna be stancing it out, doing some fitted spec lowering links, some spacers just to beef out the stance. Stay tuned, guys.
Oh, Frankie with the fitteds. Specs.
It's like a
Fitted
shoe, right?
Specs.
It's just like a big shoe for the vehicle.
Guys, we have our own lowering link lineup. It's called Fitted Spec. Follow us up on Instagram. Shop online, fittedspec.com. Enter your make model. We ship it right to your door, baby.
Frank! Let's go! Move your
Frankie, get some.
Yalla!
Frankie, get some samosas.
Let's go! Yalla!
Sosas. I want sosas.
Here we are, Simply Indian, baby. We'll do butter chicken. Any other requests, guys? This? So far, zero disappointment here. Zero. Fire. All right, so here we have it. Simply Indian. Amazing restaurant. I've been to Indian restaurants all throughout the city. This is not a paid promo. This is not one of those Instagram pages that you'd be seeing. This is true from the heart. I will definitely come back. And Lawrence, here you are.
Happy birthday to you guys. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chakah and Bob. Happy birthday to you. Oh my. All right, guys, how high can you count? Because if you count Bob's age, you're gonna be here for a long time.
Here you go. All the best. Give me a hug.
Thank you, Bobby, for all your hard work, for all the accidents, everything else,
And tickets.
all the tickets. Okay, what's the dealio now?
Oh, we're all going.
Where?
Real close.
Long time? How's everything?
Precision Rim Repair, baby. Check in, tap in with him. Ravinder, baby.
Yo, your YouTube.
That's it.
I follow it all the time, man.
it. Love that.
That's
Love
blowing
that.
up,
Love
man.
There's some Hershey's over there, yo. I just stand that.
They got speakers in the back. You could be playing your tunes. Everybody's hearing that. What? This is
Crazy.
I know, bro. That's what I'm saying. That's it.
What did I say? Shit get hit.
I'm not talking to you guys anymore. Yeah, I'm locked in. Cleats, eh?
He didn't tell us nothing. Go grab your shit. He knows what he's doing. Go. Yeah, cleats on. Look at this. Bro, he didn't tell us nothing. Look at
Yo, are you serious? I just got these. I busted out the Patrick Ewings. That's what I busted out for this.
Game time, baby. This guy's got a target on his back.
That's it. We ready, boy. Time to get Frankie back for all those times he cried. We on the birthday. That's what it is.
Yo, Frankie's cheating, eh? I hit Frankie 4 times. He's supposed to be out already. Little is still playing.
I don't know, bro. I'm there going like this and I'm getting hit 20 times.
Kiddo, is this our last game? Because I gotta know. I was being nice this whole time.
Yeah. Should be our last game.
No. This game is done. My team, not my team. You're all getting lit. Whoever I don't like. If I notice you, that's it. For example, I know.
Bro, he's shooting me.
Yeah, he's on your team.
Bro,
I literally told him.
Bro, if he shoot me
he
once
was on
more,
your team.
I'm
He was on my team?
Yeah. Yo, Frankie, grab that flag. I slapped you. Bro, you didn't, you ran with it like a Yes, no, you didn't, bro. No. Bro, I fucking got you before you even hit the flag. I was waiting there, bro. Shut the fuck up.
Bro, I got some paintball left. Come get shot. Wait, stop.
Yo, that does it. That's it.
That's what you wanted, yo. Happy birthday, yo. Birthday beat.
Look at this.
Now watch. He's dad. He's your dad.
That's all I have to say.
Wow, this guy just lost you $2 bills.
No.